Hi, so I am on my month 1, week 3-4 of refinements. So that would be month 6-3-4 of actual aligners. So last week, my tooth eventually moved into the empty space, just like some of you guys had said in the comments, that eventually my tooth moved into that small gap. So I'm optimistic that these ones are gonna fit just as nice as the last two have. So I'm just gonna get right into it because there is nothing. They felt great last week. There was no pain, no discomfort. This is my first set of 2-week aligners for the refinements, and I will say that I don't know if they switched the plastic that they made the aligners out of, but my first round of aligners, when I would take them out in the morning, I didn't notice a smell. There was nothing. Like, I noticed on the boards a lot of girls and guys talk about how awful they smell in the morning, and that no matter how hard they brush the night before, when they wake up in the morning, they take them out, they just smell awful. And I never experienced that. I don't know if it's that the plastic was different, because these ones are horrible. They just have the worst, even right out of the package, like, they just smell weird. So I don't know if they changed the way they made the aligners or the plastic that they're using, but it's awful. It's absolutely awful. So I'm gonna go with my top set first. So these are the aligners. Oh. Oh, it's not going on the back too. Oh. I can't get it on the back tooth. I don't know if you can see this. It's not going on. Oh. And I can't get them back down. Oh. Oh, oh, that really hurt. I don't know why it was like stuck on that tooth, but oh, I think there's a piece of plastic that's bent inward. It just like scratched my gum when I forced it on. These ones, I mean, they're tight. That back tooth, I can tell, is going to be one that hurts. I think it might be the anchor this time to like try to pull this tooth over. So that's the top ones. I think they're all the way in. I forgot a mirror. Here's the bottom ones. Those ones went in nice. They're also tight, which is good. So they're in. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if there's a gap because I didn't bring a mirror. So I will check afterwards. But these ones feel good too. They're nice and tight. I don't get a lisp from these ones. Well, I get a little lisp. But I don't get nearly the lisp I was getting with the other ones, because the other ones were ill-fitting for 6 months. So I will update again in 2 weeks, and I will make sure to post before and afters at the end of the 2 weeks. I'm hoping, and I'm going to post my projection for month 1 of the refinements. I feel like I'm tracking with these ones because these ones fit in nicer. I'm not having issues. Last week, I had the twisted ones. Some of you guys had thought that maybe they were twisted on purpose to move teeth. Once I snapped them in, after I took them out the next day, they looked normal. They were the normal shape and everything. So I don't know if they did that on purpose to get a little extra movement, or if it happened in shipping. Who knows? Regardless of the reason, they fit in fine. They never gave me issues. There were no issues with them at all. So if you guys see them, just snap them in. I had no issues with mine. So I will post again in 2 weeks.